Hello there. Do you want to enter the world-only trillion market? Do you want to sell your products to over 1.4 billion people? Do you want to grow your business for over $15 million per year? You gotta come to China, mate. The Chinese beauty market is going to serve us 1 trillion RMB, which is $1,500 billion with a CAGR of over 10%. And China is also becoming the largest beauty market in the world. You know, the global top 10s are all doing business in China, and they are doing great. Everyone believes that one dominates the Chinese market is going to own the future. Sorry, I forgot to introduce myself. We are Chaileedo, the most read beauty industry media and research organization, publishing over 2 million words of professional newsfeed and over 3 million words of niche market and research reports in China. We have been rooted in China for over 3 decades. Because of that, we have resources across the whole industry, from ingredients, brands, retailers, to compliance agencies. At Chaileedo, you'll have access to the newest updates, trends, and insights into the industry, as well as professional and customizable research papers. Chaileedo has become the most preferable beauty media and research organization trusted by L'Oreal, Procter & Gamble, Estee Lauder, Clarins, and so on. We are Chaileedo, and we are here to help.